Welcome to today's Where's the Trade? My name is Joshua Bellinger of OptionSizzle.com, and this is our nightly video where I talk about one stock that saw increased option activity and explain to you what that means. So today we're going to look at Whole Foods Market. We picked up some unusual option call activity in this name, and the interest was in the 80/50s, the 83 contract, and you can see a little bit more, but these were the most actives here. So taking a look at where prices were, we finished up at 72 cents. It doesn't really tell the whole story here, but we'll look at the statistics real quick, and we could see that 14,000 contracts traded against 7,700 puts, and the bulk of the calls that traded were on the offer and traded 68% of the volume today. So let's take a look here at the chart here, and I just want to zoom in here on a 1 year real quick. So this name has seen some weakness since its gap lower from earnings. You can see here where it hit 100 or just about $100 and then faded off. And the earnings on this last report here were not what the street was looking for, and it puts the company's valuations pretty rich here. So we could see that we get a little bit of a bounce today, and if we go back to the 5-year chart, we see that we are in a range here on the weekly time frame. So we can actually drop out this level here and just drop this in a little bit, and you can see to the left here, this is where that level of support could possibly be. So $80 looks to be a level that would be a little bit interesting taking a look here on the weekly time frame. If we go down a little bit lower, $70 looks to be the next level where prices could kind of gravitate into, looking on the weekly time frame. So why the call activity today? Well, simply put it, that the market has been a little weak here, and this could be positioning coming into earnings here, which come in May, and I'm trying to look here on May 6th. So there are earnings that are coming up here, and with a little bit of weakness here, we could see prices hold up off that level. So really we want to wait for prices to come into this $80 level and see if it can hold that. As of right now, it just has been a little bit weak. Today the market was up a little bit, so you probably saw a little bit of short covering, especially off this big candle here, and off the recent move off the recent highs. But still, when we look here at the time frame here, we are still in a upwards trend. It's just kind of consolidated here after this big move from 09, coming all the way from just under what is it, $5 here. So we've had a pretty significant move from 5 to 100. This was where it typically is going to take some time for it to consolidate a little bit, and then going into maybe a year or two, finally break that $100 level.